Blaze is great at generating content that's written in your voice and sounds just like you. But did you know it can also generate content using a video? Let's go over how to do just that. From the homepage, click Create New, then locate the Tools section. Scroll down and locate the Video to Content wizard. Then start the wizard. I'm gonna go ahead and upload a video from my computer. You can do so by either dragging the video over the hotspot or navigate directly to it. I've got a Blaze overview video that I created previously on my desktop that I'm gonna use. The file is now uploading and Blaze is transcribing that video. Once it finishes the transcription, you can select whether you want to use the content for one piece of content or create multiple pieces of content in different channels. I'm gonna go ahead and select creating multiple pieces of content in different channels. Now you just need to go through and select the various platforms that you want the content created for. I'm gonna select a LinkedIn text post, a blog post, and a Twitter post. Make your selections on your screen and then click Confirm Details. Now review and edit your campaign name, verify your project, and your brand voice. Then when that's all good, click Generate Content. Blaze will take you to the project view while it creates your posts. If you have lots of content already created, similar to what's shown here on my screen, you may not see your posts right away. Don't worry though, they're there. You just need to switch the view of your project to table view, where you can sort your content and either sort it by the creation date or filter your results by the campaign name. Me personally, I prefer to see all of my content with the most recent at the top. To do that, you just need to add in the creation date column to your table. Click the ellipses shown here, then click Properties. Add in the created column, then go to the created column in the table. Click the ellipses in that column and then set it to Sort Descending. Now the table view will resort all of the content shown to you with your most recent content that you've created at the top. Hey, there's all the posts that Blaze just created for us. Let's jump into the LinkedIn post and check it out. Wow, it looks great. From here, you would do what you would do with any post in Blaze. Review it, tweak it, and then schedule it out. Just like that, Blaze took the content in a video and generated multiple pieces of written content in a snap. Another way that Blaze saves you time as a small business owner. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.